While economics, management, finance, and business could seem like the thing of textbooks at age 17, it takes little to see that they are in fact omnipresent. So, if you want to explore a nascent interest in economics, finance, or management, if you are choosing your stream in high school, or if you are wondering which discipline to specialize in at the undergraduate level, we have something to help you. Here are 13 resource recommendations for you: books, magazines, podcasts, TV shows, movies, and documentaries that will leave you a little wiser. First on the charts, in no particular order, is the popular game changer from Daniel Kahneman, Thinking Fast and Slow. A simple yet well-researched take on human decision making, this book is a must for the economist as well as the manager. It comes from one of the harbingers of behavioral economics. So, if you've ever wondered about the place where economics meets human psychology, it's right here. Richard Thaler's Nudge and Malcolm Gladwell's books Blink and Outliers are further recommendations in the same vein. For the more academically inclined, it might be a good time to pick up Adam Smith's Wealth of Nations, Raghuram Rajan's Fault Lines, and Ajamulu and Robinson's Why Nations Fail. Next up is Timothy Ferriss's 4-Hour Work Week. A watershed publication, this one focuses on building sustainable long-term income sources that depend less and less on the individual. It dwells on the now popular idea of lifestyle design and has a lot to offer when it comes to building the big successful life that fits you. The book's take on entrepreneurship and retirement is refreshing, and its follow your own tune advice will ring several bells and compel you to ask questions. Similar must-reads include Peter Thiel's 0 to 1, The Hard Thing About Hard Things from Ben Horowitz, and The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. Third on the list is the quintessential globally acclaimed business magazine HBR. Harvard Business Review has been a compilation of cutting-edge research-based pieces for 98 long years and is the holy grail of management education. For the explorer, the magazine could serve as a peek into the real world, and for the converted management student, it could be the publication you will fall back on for many years to come. If, on the other hand, the startup ecosystem has caught your fancy, Inc. is the subscription you've been looking for. With excellent contemporary coverage, Inc. would be your one-stop content consumption resource. Containing entrepreneur interviews, tips and tricks, business environment updates, expert insights, and lots of lists, Inc. is as new age as it gets. Next is the Financier's Bible. If money and financial assets are your buzzwords, here's a little present from your future god. Financial data giant Bloomberg publishes Bloomberg Business Week, the very best that financial journalism has to offer today. Just like the Bloomberg is the financier staple, The Economist is that of, well, The Economist. A weekly publication with impressive global coverage, this could be your head start if you are a student of economics. And then there is Netflix's documentary series Dirty Money. It's 2 seasons with 6 episodes each, and not just a good exposition of finance, but also bring to the fore the darker, more dangerous side of financial institutions today. At number 8 is another Netflix gem, the 52-minute documentary Prediction by Numbers, a critical introduction to the quantitative tools used in economics, finance, and business analysis. This is a must-watch for anyone making fundamental career choices in this space. And now the show that needs no introduction, Shark Tank, an investor-investee reality show that's been running for over a decade. It is a great watch for any and every student of economics, management, or finance. From making a business plan to negotiation and valuation, there are many things one can learn from watching this slick reality show. Inside Job, a 2010 documentary film, is another must-watch towards understanding the fault lines of New Age economic structures. An expose of the 2008 financial crisis, this movie asks some tough questions and leaves you on the path to discovering answers. Some good, some bad, and some downright ugly. Another must-watch along similar lines is The Big Short. Next, we have a television series that you could benefit deeply from. CNBC's Titans, a 13-episode series that explores the lives of some very successful entrepreneurs and businesses. This one is here to stay. Our favorite episode is about Herb Keller, a businessman whose vision and humanity the world had come to love. Another riveting and similar watch is Amazon Empire, The Rise and Reign of Jeff Bezos from PBS Frontline. A calm, less rushed addition to this list is Ray Dalio's How the Economic Machine Works. A Harvard Business School alumnus and founder of Bridgewater Associates, one of the world's largest hedge funds, Ray gives simple lessons in economics and finance in this 30-minute video. And we bet that the learnings will stand any viewer in good stead for a long time to come. And one final must-watch would be The Four Horsemen. An impressive and decisive 2012 British film, this one is a critically acclaimed documentary accessibly hosted on YouTube. It has won a staggering number of awards at film festivals across the globe and tells the story of economics and finance today from the eyes of the artist, the filmmaker. Despite it being a deeply engaging watch, one must bear in mind that it is loaded with opinion. Besides, it is just one side of the story and should lead the curious to discover others. While these are some recommendations we wanted to pass on, do remember to have some fun as you go through them. We hope these will lead you to places of greater inquiry, challenge, and meaning, and will bring you closer to your career aspirations. Hit the like button if you found this video informative and share the gyan with your friends. For more videos in economics, management, finance, and data science, subscribe to the ISPF channel and click on the bell icon to be notified.